In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Friendship Primary won and decided to send Red Hills Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Red Hills Primary. Bible knowledge. Which Bible name means mother of all living?
Sarah.
Incorrect, it's Eve. Friendship. Which Bible name means God with us?
Emmanuel. Emmanuel.
That's correct. Just as a reminder, you don't need to shout to respond. Science for Red Hills. What is the name of the connective tissue that holds joints together?
Ligaments.
That's correct. Friendship. What type of joint is found in the hip and shoulder?
Ball and socket. Ball and socket joint.
That is correct. Local affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jonathan Brown.
That's incorrect. It's former MP Daniel Lawrence. Friendship. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Cliff Anderson. Cliff Anderson.
Incorrect. It's Spanish Town Mayor Norman Scott. English language for Red Hills. Spell belligerent, which means aggressive.
D-I-L-I-T-E-R-A-N-T-E.
That's incorrect. It's B-E-L-L-I-G-E-R-E-N-T. Friendship. Spell acquiesce, which means to agree.
A-C-Q-U-I-A-C-E.
That's incorrect. It's A-C-Q-U-I-E-S-C-E. Television or visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the Sesame Street character.
Vampire.
That's incorrect. It's Count Von Count. Friendship. Look at the monitor and identify this Sesame Street character.
Mr. Elephant. Mr. Elephant.
Incorrect. It's Mr. Snuffleupagus. General knowledge. Red Hills. Which bird is known as the bird of peace?
Dove. Dove.
Correct. General knowledge for friendship. Which bird is known as the bird of Juno?
Peacock. Peacock.
That is correct. Social studies for Red Hills. Port Royal was a separate parish in Jamaica before being merged into which current parish?
Kingston.
That's right. Friendship. St. David was a separate parish in Jamaica before being merged into which current parish?
St. Thomas. St. Thomas.
That is correct. Music, a visual question for Red Hills. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Adele.
Incorrect. It's Lana Del Rey. Friendship. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Celine Dion. Celine Dion.
Incorrect. It's Ellie Goulding. Red Hills Primary, mathematics. A team played 30 games and won 12. What was the team's win percentage?
%.
That's incorrect. It's 40%. Friendship, a boy scored 28 out of 40 on his math test. What was his percentage score?
70%.
That is correct. Sports for Red Hills, Jamaica won gold, silver and bronze in the men's 200 meters at the London Summer Olympics in 2012. Who won the bronze medal?
Kishan Thompson.
Incorrect, it's Warren Weir. Friendship, Jamaica won gold, silver and bronze in the women's 100 meters at the Tokyo Summer Olympics in 2021. Who won the bronze medal?
Shelley-Ann Fraser.
Shelley-Ann Fraser.
Incorrect, it's Sharika Jackson. That brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Friendship Primary on 5 and Red Hills Primary on 3. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Estimate how long assignments will take and practice managing time. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.